Let's take a look at this stuff first. Okay, let's go ahead and have a seat for a second. We'll get you guys going on that. But I know where it is. Yeah, I needed the last people. Okay, so guys, the purple sheets. So everybody listen. Purple sheet that I handed out to you is grading rubric for this activity, okay? So it's what I will be looking for when I watch your videos, okay, and when I grade those. The first 3 categories come directly from the videos, okay? So we're looking at the content of the video. So do you accurately show me DNA replication? Is it how the process occurs? Does it have the level of detail that you need? Remember we said that this process is actually a little bit more complex. There are details that you don't need to know, but do you have in the video what's required of you, and is it accurate? Clarity of video. So it says labels, color coding, keys, different things like that are used so that when I watch your video, you want to think of it as, maybe not when I watch your video, but imagine if someone who knew nothing about DNA replication were watching your video. The first time you introduce something new, is it labeled, or do you have like a key that you keep adding to? Make sure that someone who watches your video knows what the different things are. So do you denote your nitrogen bases in different ways, okay? Using letters or colors or something like that. So that's the clarity. Like as I watch, did you make an effort to make sure I know what the different parts are? Are things labeled in some way, okay? Quality of video is that you put some time into it. You're not just throwing something together, this is good enough, slopping things down, or can I tell that, you know, you tried your best to make it look as good as possible, and you know, you try to make a video that flows nicely, so it's not like, oh, I used 10 pictures total to show DNA replication, and it's very jerky, it jumps from this to this to this. So you put as many pictures in as you possibly can, try to make it flow smoothly, try to make it look nice, so that's also using your time wisely. And then the final section is an individual grade, okay? It's the effort that you are putting in with your group. So the first 3 categories, you can earn 10 points in each of those, is everyone in the group will receive the same grade, but the last category is where your individual points come in, okay? So your grade on this project could be different than your group members if you're putting in more or less effort than other people in your group. So that's something I'm looking for as I'm coming around to the groups today, that you're on task and contributing to your group and playing nicely together and all of those good things, okay? So as you're finalizing things today, you know, take a look at this and make sure, do we feel like we've met all of these requirements to the best of our ability? So today is your last day to work on this. I think after yesterday, everyone kind of has a good idea of where they need to be and what they need to do today. As you finish up, I had a couple groups ask me, so I'll start with this. I know a couple of you want me to look at what you have and make sure it's good, so I will come around and look at what you have. And that, I mean, the final product is the video. So when you think you have it ready, you want to show that to me, okay? That's what we're looking for here. So chalk markers are back up on my desk. Well, on the cart. The Play-Doh is on the cart. If you left anything in here yesterday, it's either on the cart or in the back of the room on the back desk. Of course, you guys know the paper towels. So,
I got you that.
Once again, share items, share material, make sure everyone has what they need. Go ahead and get set back up. I'll be making my way around. And I'll check out your videos as you need me to. Ian, your Play-Dohs, all of that stuff is right there in the corner of my desk. I had to move things around because I needed the lab area. The model is on the back. Was it in a plastic bag? Okay. I think that actually might be it. Put that part right there. But if that's not it, it's on the desk in the back of the room. Is that you? Yeah, I think it is. You guys want me to check out what you have, right? See how it looks.
We're just going to do the file and we're going to do markers. If you want to go with the markers and start making like the outline, it's really going to come into the back here. You have to write that again. All day really matters.
Yeah, but then I'll try not to mix the Play-Doh.
Alright, go ahead and start drawing the markers.
Oh, good. I was going to talk about the GC fancy. Did you put that in?
Wait, that has to be
No, not yet. And I was going to say, once we
yeah, once we get to it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was just thinking whenever I heard. So, who are you guys? That's the thing. I need you guys to be here in your area, not disrupting other groups. You guys have anything you need?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Okay. You can. Yeah, I was gonna say. Okay. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, and hold on to that. I'm gonna try to like have them record this please to see like a finished product. Yeah, hold on to that for now. Okay, did you want me to check out what you have, or?
You're gonna add images, but of course it should be. Think about this.
Caitlin speaks German. Essentially, she's part of the Nazi party.
We'll just think, yeah.
Okay, so.
Yeah, there's the red.
I mean, we can redo it, but we might just have to cut that out.
Right. Yeah, because
I don't even know what that means.
it's tough for me to see what's going on here, like to really
Do you
understand.
think we can cut that in Richmond?
Yeah, yeah, you can.
Isn't third period planning? So we can maybe just
That's true. Yes.
And then if we could just come down Richmond.
To finish up.
It's like we could turn that in, but it probably wouldn't be as good. Are you gonna use all that orange? Yeah, probably.
And so that video actually has more detail in it as far as the actual process of replication than you guys need. So I think what I would do is try to simplify what you're trying to show me and then have more pictures so that it flows smoother with what you're actually showing me. I think that was the problem, is that you tried to tackle.
Well, we just went down to this basically.
Right. But so what is this? Because you have, it's a little bit different because that's a picture, you know what I mean? And you're trying to create a video. So that might kind of be the problem. So if you're starting with a single strand of DNA, tell me what it does first.
It splits apart.
It separates. Where does it separate?
Down the middle.
Right. And then what happens?
Then the growth things go in.
So what do you mean? The growth things.
The DNA
Jesse, I appreciate
called
Right. So the DNA polymerase, which remember is a type of enzyme, goes through and adds in like what goes with each of these letters. Right. Okay. And so they just have the word growth there because they're saying, what they are saying is that, so this strand is growing in that direction, you're adding nucleotides in that way, this strand grows in that direction, so it moves in opposite directions, okay? And then when you're done, you should have 2 identical strands. Yes.
So it really should stop like right here.
It
Have 2
could,
of those.
right. So
Alright.
what that diagram is showing you is that on a very long strand of DNA, one section of the DNA will open up and replicate. So yeah, it doesn't go back to this.
Okay.
Okay? So that's what I'm saying. If you kind of focus in on this area and what's happening there,
Yeah.
that's all you really need. And I think that
Alright.
might make it easier for you to
Alright.
show it
Okay, that should be good.
in the video.
Alright.
So,
Can you make the 2 lines real quick?
Yeah.
And then we
backbones. So yeah, see what you can get done. And then we'll assess at the end of class where you are.
make it kind of big.
So guys, did everybody find their material from yesterday? Anybody need anything right now? What I can't see was this, red heads. Do you know how to spell it?
Yeah.
Just set it in there.
I'll take like 2 pictures and label this. Label this.
That's okay though.
Here, label it.
That's okay.
Where's that white one?
Right here.
7, 5.
That's why I don't take AP.
Yeah, but she's putting the frame, the edge.
I know it says those numbers. It has 2 sevens in it. Got a 1, 2. I wouldn't it's got 5.
7517.
Who am I
I don't have the time.
I'm trying to get a good grade.
Probably not that.
Repeat it again. 751712.
Wow. Cheating.
No, it's not. You did that real stuff. I believe it.
Wait till she does the spiral thing. Boss.
I don't understand why it always turns pink. You don't even
See, look at that. Spiral. That's cool. Still my flavor.
Have the green jelly. Yeah. Oh, wait. I got a big piece. Thank you.
trying to like suck.
What is down?
Blue? Yeah. Oh, no. See, there was this married actor. Look it
Miss Kenyon, can you have the blonde? Yes. I got this. The glare may be from the lights above you though, so if that doesn't help, if Jesse, we can kind of like, we can surround things. You have a glare right there.
Small and then work out. That's where we messed up on.
If closing the blinds doesn't help, have Jesse like hold a book above you to kind of block. You know what I mean? Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so you might have to hold that to block. There you go.
They have green.
Are you on read 4?
It like works backwards.
Yeah, right here.
Our air time. And then they start coming apart. They were so
It's very professional.
Make sure we don't take two things in there.
We had to start all of it. We didn't have to take it.
We're having
It'll go faster now, because you know, you have a friend now.
Did we come down into Richmond if we don't finish?
You can, because we can even, I don't have a third period, so we can even just leave it all set up on the table. So, yeah.
There's no brown marker, so you just have to be in pink.
Hey, can we write like that because there's no brown marker?
Yeah.
And then we can do the rest color.
Right. But yeah, you're right. There's, yeah, that's fine.
We need to bring a brown marker.
I personally think it's kind of funny. What else?
Yes, it was
It was fun. I think it's
So are you guys continuing from yesterday, or did you start? Okay, okay, good. How do we want to
those. I want them to add.
Okay.
That doesn't matter, just write something.
Yellow?
That's not almost half the time.
What you need him? I'm just getting through.
Where's Caitlin? Is she still in class anymore?
She is, but she's gone all week.
She's in
I
Disney.
gave her another assignment to do. Yeah. Because we definitely
That's
don't
good,
put
that's
her.
good.
So,
And then put like the,
Here, let's play it.
right,
we
so.
need yellow markers.
Wait,
I guess not.
What each of these do?
I mean, there's an orange one.
Just have some random tea.
Can you write like?
It doesn't mean.
I'm gonna put ones in there. Well, we got it in there.
Alright.
Okay, what's next?
We have to take the picture as soon as she gets the
Should
orange
we
mark.
label that as the parent DNA?
The what
The
DNA?
parent DNA. That's the DNA that splits to make two.
Yeah. Probably.
label it, right?
Well, I don't know. We should ask teacher. We should.
And what is a nucleotide?
That's a unit project.
One of these.
We already pictured it. That's gonna be hard to take apart.
There you go. Okay? So a nucleotide is one of these four bases.
It's just one of the small things in the process. Just take the whole thing apart and
No,
unlock
we
it.
haven't.
DNA polymerase adds in
But if you take that whole thing apart, you got a lot of work to do. See, like, look what we did. Okay, let's show them how it works.
Did you try and take a picture in it?
Okay,
Okay, good, because there isn't any.
take it all apart.
If you did, then we won't have to.
Now, why do you want to
Okay,
erase one?
so picture time, right?
I need the orange for this.
Orange?
That's because that's what happens.
M's over there
So
getting
the
erased.
DNA polymerase is going to move along the side.
Why do we put the polymerases in the picture?
And a DNA polymerase.
Y'all good?
That's opposite direction. Add a nucleotide, add a nucleotide. It's going to add to both of them. That's how you end up with two identical strands. Now, it's a little bit crowded.
I guess you.
Because you're going to have to add
So it doesn't like whenever like.
I don't know. You think you can squeeze it in there, but if you can refill it, okay?
Sugar.
No, like I want
Put parent DNA.
Does that make sense?
Right.
I mean, that's basically
Wait, why is the rest of sugar now?
It should be identical strands of DNA.
They're phosphate,
Okay.
isn't it?
No.
Phosphate.
Hold on one
But
second.
it doesn't matter.
Shayla,
Equal.
and did you need me?
No, I was just, no, never mind.
You're, okay, all right.
It doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Then I can cover it.
Like which one's phosphate, which one's...
It doesn't really matter.
Yes, definitely. Let me see how these.
I mean, I want it to matter, but it doesn't really.
Kinda does.
It doesn't matter because we're like the only group actually doing it. Like,
What?
these guys did, but
They finished, that's why they're not doing
Yeah.
anything.
They're not as cool as us. Yeah. Yeah, it's in the.
Okay, so yeah.
We should probably put the red as the phosphate.
I already wrote sugar, and that part
Well.
is horrible.
I was gonna get a new one.
Yeah,
it's alright, we're going with it.
I don't put
Okay, we'll erase it.
I did, okay.
No, erase the. Why'd you erase the phosphate?
We gotta change them.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's
Genius.
probably
Do you want me to get the orange one or just okay?
Beth, will you hand me a mark, like a paper towel or two, please?
Here, there's a dry one right here.
Paper towels.
Thank you, love.
Yeah, from the evil group.
You can't write like this.
No, you don't have to leave it the whole time, and you're probably gonna have to take it out. Just spread it apart.
This one is not much better.
Bless you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So, did you only show DNA polymerase in this
A little fat.
It's fine. You used to read it.
Are you prepared?
You just put it in.
Because it adds it to it.
Don't start. We need those in.
Like they just like so like the hard
So can you add pictures in the middle?
You should just pour it.
Okay.
Yeah, just pull them apart.
Okay.
We like flip it over. You should just lay it over.
Yeah, but we
So we should just like.
Like you
Just
have
the
to
way to hold our stuff. Here, Jesse, let me show you.
I'll show you the part that you should.
You don't have to.
Like
It's
the
an
part where
option.
it goes
It's not necessary.
Just keep it facing.
You know? Okay.
I think we
So then I would
should have done that.
add at the end, maybe it's something you can just write on the table to explain
we need the article.
that DNA polymerase was doing the same thing on both strands. Because what it does is it moves this direction down one strand and it would go this direction of the other, adding it. So I would make a note of that at the end and then everything else look good. Okay?
It's good to be honest.
Excuse me.
Nothing to be bad.
How about you write a caption below it?
Never mind.
When you're right
You go frame by frame, let it going on.
Yeah, well, I'm not.
Shayla,
You just like
you can try to add
Take
wording
it and then
underneath
have it go slowly down.
Make it fade like that. So then it will go.
Yeah, just go find, see if there's like, just grab one more. Take it this way or
Just the bar.
Yeah, I do. I'm short on white in my nose, but I do have some white clay. Okay, so what? Yeah, what's going to happen? Yeah, this is the one that we did.
He's the veil and he's the veil and
Yeah, this is the one that we did in the video. This is the one that we just made. So it would go down this way and
Because this one's going to go down one hundred, and then the second one is the opposite way at the same time but on the other. Okay? You can even divide that into two pieces, but have two.
I used to take it like
Okay?
and I used to, you know, yeah, like we'll just move it up slowly.
just like the teddy bear, just like
Yeah. Wait, I tear them off now. Who was that?
hold on.
What is this?
DNA polymerase.
Yeah, we're doing like
Yeah, one of them's going to start at the down to the other two.
Here, they can go the other way.
It's all lovely back here.
But otherwise, that looks good.
Should I write like transformation here?
What? No, just let it go. We're kind of running a bit behind.
Let's see what's going on.
Yeah, we have probably about 45 minutes. 40.
Cook Marie Parker.
Okay. That's good. Good view.
Pull that one over.
Okay.
Wait, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it. Go back to it, go back, go back.
Here's your starting strand of DNA.
Hold on.
And it
Good.
Well, tell
different heights.
Yeah, I know, because that's the starting. That's okay if the starting one. The other one, it's not that hard because we didn't have all the other stuff in it.
We need to slow it down.
Okay, I'm moving it.
Well, they're not, you just have one nitrogen base, they're not paired.
You press play again, press the button, then settings. And you go
So if
down.
we move T and A up here.
Well, they're gonna start separating now. So G will be over here, C will be over here.
The beginning and the transition.
We haven't gone like 2 places so far, so we'll just go
To make it a
from
smoother transition. Like, really like a centimeter at a time. Very, very small.
yeah.
Now, a nucleotide is a sugar and a phosphate, so that's a little piece of your backbone. And then it's one nitrogen base. Attached to it. So you need to show DNA polymerase coming through and adding in that section.
Sure feel.
And then it would come in and add in that section with the right color right there. That's how it gets added in. You don't want any backbones there yet because they come in with the nitrogen bases that pair up. So you want to piece it together a little at a time. DNA polymerase is the molecule that is doing it. So what are you going to use for your DNA polymerase? So you use your DNA polymerase, one to move down the strand, one to move down the strand in the direction. Okay? So you can like add one in, add one in, add one in. Okay? So Ryan, are you going to delete those pictures that have, yeah. Okay? And then that's how you will build your 2 new ones. And they should be identical to each other. Does that make sense? Okay. Are you guys good over here? I really don't think that's nice. Orange with purple, right?
Are we gonna be able to put the other pictures in there?
Strand starts.
And we need our names under it. And we need to have that key because we erased that. Yes, but we have to start all over again. Ryan. Here, wait, let me just see if we can take it.
Whoa. Let's look at that. Look at
I
that.
think that's a possibility. I'm not
This is Play-Doh one too.
So guys, once you have like a final draft ready, let me know. And I'll take a look at it.
Front, back.
This is looking good.
Our video is 10 seconds long so far.
You can slow it down too, like if it seems like it's going too fast.
Does the DNA twist as it's adding on the like other letters? Or is it straight and then it twists after? There's 2.
There's going to be a little delay.
Okay.
Like add the letters in, then it will twist back up. It wouldn't be at the same time.
Well, I couldn't get that done. I read
No,
it.
you're okay.
We couldn't find the same color as Play-Doh. Because we needed more. And we couldn't find the same color.
Which color? Like a
Like this
brighter
color.
pink color?
Yeah, I've got this kind, and then there's like a darker one.
Is it for the backbone or
That's
the nitrogen bases?
The nitrogen bases.
Okay. Okay, let's see, because yeah, it would be helpful to have that same color.
I'm done.
I was gonna say, is it this one? And then this one?
Look at that one.
That definitely looks closer, but it's not exact. I would do that. Yeah, it's still not perfect, but it's close. I don't think you'll be able to tell. It's too dark.
I try and I still don't. So. Even when I try, I can take 10 minutes straight like a sentence and still don't.
Really? Why not?
It's better than my handwriting. Look at my handwriting. Look at my handwriting.
So, that would be C. All the markers.
How do you read that?
Once we have the colors, so we can figure it out. Make this orange line.
Yeah, green and pink, and then red and purple. Oh my god.
So do you guys have a video shooting yet, or you're still?
It's fine.
I don't like this. Sorry, I don't like this just fine.
Okay, it's fabulous.
We aren't gonna have a chance to make this any more better than just
It's
fine.
not getting any better, so.
I'm gonna cry.
What is your problem?
I don't make good
Sympathy.
So this is going to be a G.
That needs to be a C. That needs to be a C
This
there.
is going to
C has to be green.
be T. Okay, now what?
Put C here. Maybe a G.
You shouldn't have made it yellow and green.
erase that.
They're so similar.
Yeah, they're pretty similar.
Oh, yeah.
You are very particular.
I know. It's
Although I am too, but like, as long as we get done. Yes.
Why is this on this side?
Because,
Right.
oh my gosh.
And it's starting to become a mess.
See, the thing with peculiar is being bad, but at least I can.
There. C goes there.
C is green.
I'm done. Here we go. Bye.
Yeah, just slow it down.
Come.
It should be on the other side, right?
Guys, if any group is in need of some Play-Doh, we just had some returned.
Good job, Ian. Ian, that's pretty looking.
Maybe if we like just take like a whole bunch of pictures of this.
Can we take like a picture of this in between each slide?
Like
Like so they know.
If you want to, yeah. Well, no, actually no. I don't think that's gonna make the
Yeah,
the
that's
motion
true.
itself too. Yeah.
So should we just put it at the beginning and the end?
I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay.
just better glance.
Yeah, because it's like a slow sentence. Take like 5.
And just let it go. You can still read it.
It's not even covering it.
There's nothing to prevent the glare. It does not work.
Just let it.
Oh wait, whoa, I got it.
Yeah,
You're
that's
just
not
making a
doing
weird.
anything.
You're just making a weird shadow.
Let me put it above the left.
Hold the camera lower. Try that. No, like down here.
Does that do anything? Wait, which light should I put it above?
I like Stalins. That's why I put Stalins.
I picked FDR because I'm American.
Coming from over here.
How many do you take? 4. Alright, that's
Is that the reason? I just like
There's just a weird shadow.
Just start with the green. Here.
There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay. I like Joseph Stalin. That looks good. I like it. I did not like it.
Miss Kenyon, we can't figure out how to get the glare out. Because I tried putting out the light and everything and it didn't work.
Yeah. Can you read all the words with the glare? Make sure you
Hey, can we read the words? Can we read the words with the glare? Can we read the words? Yeah.
As long as the words are readable, I'd say just leave it then. It's just if it's making it so you can't read your writing, then we want to try to
Okay. Hey, someone, can you move this? Like, continually, can you continually move this, like, slowly?
I don't know how we're supposed to move it. I understand that part, Ian. It's not what I mean. Is this going too fast?
Yeah,
No. I mean, they can
move this up. I don't mess
You move it. I made pieces.
I don't want to mess it up.
What? How do you think that video? That would probably be easier.
Still the same stuff. I think we need to get a boo going.
We have 20 minutes.
I think we need to get a boo going. Maybe for our game. Well, it didn't get going like it did there.
Two would be too fast.
Okay, very good.
Take like
I don't think it's different yet until it's like right.
slow down your stuff.
We have to leave hard.
So you guys good? Okay.
Here, I got it. Okay.
The note that said, "Why do you hate me?" on it.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Parker's just a savage today. He's roasting everybody. Parker was gonna bring in hot sauce that's actually hot. Is that what she's ground on you guys about? And he's like, that's hot. Parker picks it up, takes a shot of it. It's like, that's really hot.
There's one spot where we have to do because we put the D in it.
Savage.
Is that good?
Savage.
Did you show, do you have a key anywhere like with your nitrogen bases?
Yeah, we have like the C.
Wait, you didn't turn the water all the way up to splash the other project.
See, there's the A, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
here we put the
Okay.
A, and then we have the nitrogen bases in it.
Okay.
Oh, that's why I
Okay.
can turn the water
Is
up.
that good?
I think it's good. What slide were you thinking?
Right here, we
We got it for our water. Oh, no, water happens in the
see, that's in green, and then that's in orange, but unless you want to.
Yeah, we can do that.
With your label.
Yeah, we can put it still yellow.
I saved it.
Okay.
But that's a lot better now.
Saved it.
Yeah, it looks good.
We have to make 2 bowls.
Yeah.
Any little spice. Didn't even happen. And then.
Yeah.
No, we have those coming. No, we're
Very good,
Is that good? Can we go ahead and turn that
I was
on?
gonna, yeah, I think you're good.
We're not
Yeah.
missing any parts?
No, you
Should we send this to
Yeah.
you somehow, or?
no, just watching it right now.
Are you guys over
It's just good. Can I steal your orange?
And everybody's
We're done.
like Aaron and them were here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Do you want to make a recording of their video to have one like the finished product? Let's do that.
Sorry, Ryan, I gotta make another wet paper towel.
That's my word. Tell me when. Should I go ahead?
I'll hit Kobe.
Go ahead, yeah.
Okay, so let me mark them down and then I'll see you in a minute.
I think we'll make it.